Laser engraving utilizes a high-energy laser beam as its cutting tool. Distinct from traditional mechanical contact-based machining, it is widely applied in engraving, marking, and cutting various materials, thanks to its core advantages of non-contact processing, high precision, and broad material compatibility. The core functionality of laser engraving machines combines diversity and practicality, emphasizing non-contact, damage-free processing by focusing the laser beam to instantaneously release high temperatures. It achieves material melting, vaporization, or ablation. Its key functions include precision engraving, laser marking, and minor cutting. It can engrave intricate patterns, text, or QR codes on materials like metals, plastics, wood, and leather. Perform fine marking, for example, product serial numbers, logos, and execute precise cutting of thin materials, suitable for one-off customization, small batch production, and large-scale manufacturing. It offers user-friendly operation and flexible adaptation across different scenarios. Furthermore, laser engraving is highly efficient, operating 4 times faster than traditional manual engraving. In batch processing, it significantly reduces labor costs while ensuring consistent results and extremely low rejection rates, perfectly meeting various high-precision machining requirements. Leveraging its non-contact functionality and excellent performance, laser engraving machines are extensively used across numerous industries, including cultural, gift products, automotive, manufacturing, medical devices, and packaging. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome your attention subscription. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area and consultation to get more industry information.